Okay, so in this video we're going to take a look at setting up the orientation for the joints. Um, and let's put this on X-ray joints so that way we can see them a little bit easier when we're working on it. One of the issues that we have right now is with these joints here. They have rotations with the way we set it up. So we need to fix that. Because right now if we rotate this, you can see how it is offsetting from itself because the orientation is not correct. We just want it to twist along that x-axis only, and that will cause an issue. And then if we look at these, you can kind of see that they are slightly off, that they're not pointing exactly down the chain. You can see that they're a little bit off there. And then if we go down into the fingers, you can see as soon as we get to the end joints, they have a weird rotation. So we're going to fix that as well. So what I'm going to start off by doing is selecting the whole hierarchy. Just click the pelvis and then shift click the last joint on the chain. That should select everything. I'm going to start off by modify freeze transformations, and that should give us 0 rotations on all of the joints, which is great. You can see everything will be like off now though, now that we've frozen all the transformations. So let's adjust that here. We're going to select the pelvis, and then we're going to go to Orient Joint. I'm going to leave all these. Actually, let's go to reset settings so that way it's at the defaults. Apply. So now if we go to the arm, for example, it should be going down the chain. And if we select the twist joints here and start rotating them, you'll see that they stay on that axis of the arm without twisting it in a real weird angle. So that's going to be important for us there. Now another place where we're going to have an issue is the spine, because we didn't make it perfectly straight up and down. We have a bit of a twist in it to get a little bit more natural motion. And you can see that as we go up the chain, some of them flip on each other. So I'm going to go one by one. So I want it to stay with this, and if I push down on the keyboard, we can see that we go to the next joint. So you can push down or up, it will go through and go up and down the chain. So these are okay. Here, so here it flips. See the flip happening there. So I'm just going to put this at negative and apply. Then going down the chain. So these are going in the direction that I want it to. Here that one flips, so let's apply. There we go. If it's not negative, we need it positive. Here, apply. So I'm going to switch this. So this is flipped. Let's go positive, apply. There we go. So this is an end joint. The way we'll fix the end joint is going to the attribute editor here in under joints, and then joint orientation. Just set that to 0, 0, and 0, and that should fix that for us. Okay, let's double check the legs, so that you just have to stay consistent with each other. Here, that flips. So here it flips. And then at the end joint, just make sure that the joint orientation is at 0. There we go. Let me just check all the way down the arms. So all of these finger joints here at the end, they need to be reset to 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. And the pinky, 0, 0, 0. There we go. So that arm is correct. This leg is correct. This leg would need some fixing. Okay, so that's all good. What I'm going to do, just to make it a little bit easier, is delete half the chain here, and then I am just going to mirror them over. So I'm going to go to skeleton mirror joints option box. We are mirroring over the left side, so we're searching for L and replacing it with R. Apply and apply. Now just double checking it here. They are all aiming in the correct direction. That is great. And when we mirror it, we get that mirrored rotation, which is good too. Same thing for the arms, so we can get that kind of motion. Great. Okay. Oops. Let's undo that. Okay. We have all of the orientation on the skeleton the way we need it. So I am going to save this out as a new file. And we should be good to proceed working on creating the rig for the skeleton. We will see you guys in the next video.